Hey my peeps, welcome back to a uni journey. Today I want to show you guys my Jamaican sorrel plant, aka Roselle Hibiscus. A quick story though, a subscriber went ahead and mailed me some of her seeds. Thank you very much if you're watching. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you. I decided to plant them on the same day I received them in May, I think May 8th. Planted them in some flower pot, but last week, Monday, August 26th, I decided to just take them out of the flower pot and put them in the ground. What has been happening is that we've been getting a lot of rain, and every time the rain falls, they just fall down. So I'm say, all right, it's time to put them in the ground. So I went ahead, planted them in the ground, and here they are. So hopefully by December I can drink a glass of Jamaican sorrel drink.